Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, today I wanted to share, it's just a project share, but I wanted to show you what I've made with this collateral rust by Ciao Bella. I got this this month in my design team package for ASC Crafts. And guys, I know I had told you that I wanted to make a mini album for, you know, a male mini album. So Michelle Randolph, she is on YouTube as well. She is also one of the design team members. She is giving away a free SVG file, and I thought I would, as soon as I saw it, even before she did her entire, I'm going to link it down in the description box. Before she did her entire reveal of her project, I knew exactly what I was going to do with it. So this is the paper that I used. Again, it's collateral rust, and I believe that's what it's called. I can't show you the front because I used the front for part of the project. So this is what I used, and I still have 3 full sheets and then some scraps that I may still make another mini album with it. So let me show you guys. Oh my gosh, I know this just looks like a box, but let me show you what it is. It is a locker. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. She did a phenomenal job. So this is the front of my locker, and I just put she put a little actual lock on hers, and I didn't have one, so I just put this little, you know, medallion thing that I had in my stash. And this is the page that I chose for the front. This was one of my favorite pages. It's got the little curves at the bottom. It's got the little curves at the bottom. Now, my machine was acting all kinds of crazy with my computer, my Cricut machine. So it didn't score the lines for me, but you have the option of cutting it out and scoring the lines yourself. And that's what I did. So again, my machine was acting crazy. It didn't cut everything exactly the way it was supposed to be, but they're minor differences, and I will have to point them out to you. So this is the front. This is the side, and I just love that brick wall, and it's got still all the little slits on the side. Now, let me point out one flaw here. My inside panel did not cut out all the way it was supposed to, so you can see a little bit of the inside panel right there on that. And then this is the back with all the gears, and I don't know what they are, but you know, it's just beautiful. And again, on my main panel, it did not cut out all the way. So I don't know if that was something I did wrong. I don't think so, but you know, it's really not that noticeable. And then this is the other side. The other side has, again, the brick wall. One of the sides didn't cut all the way. This one did not cut all the way down. So again, I mean, I don't know if that was me, because this one seemed to have cut out fine. So maybe it was me, I don't know. But anyway, so the little locker opens up. I'm going to stand it just for a second, and I am going to open up this little locker. It's got the little handle. She shows you how to put the little handle on there. So you open the little handle, and it closes with a magnet. They are small magnets because there's not a lot of space right here. And so you open up the locker, and I put a little mirror on there, because what locker is complete without the mirror? And again, this is from the paper. And then on the inside, if you reach in, there is a folio. Look at that, guys. A little folio that fits right inside the locker. And as you can see, there's space for maybe even another one. Maybe that's what I'll do, another one. So I may do that, or just another mini album. So pull out the folio, and then the inside, it's so hard to see with this lighting, but on the inside, I went ahead and lined it with the pattern paper, and the top is lined. And oh my gosh, this was, after I got all the pieces cut out, it was so much fun, guys. For a free file, you just can't beat that. And if you're having problems or trouble finding this paper, which I think is gorgeous, go to ASC Crafts. They still had some in their inventory. So yeah, just, you know, use the link and go in there and buy it at a discount, guys. This is so cute. I just love it. I didn't do, you know, a lot of embellishing because the paper has, you know, everything it needs. I mean, I just don't feel like it needed embellishing. So I didn't. I love the way it looks this way. And then, you know, the only thing I did was put that mirror on there because, you know, we need a mirror in our locker. So yeah, love it, love it, love it. I am definitely going to make more. All right, guys, so the little folio, this is the back of the folio. This is the side, and this is the front. Now, this is the name of the paper that, the Ciao Bella paper that I used. Let me zoom you in a little bit. That is the name of the paper that I used. Oh, I want to get the whole thing in there. Okay, so that it is called Collateral Rust, and I just cut that out of the front of the page. And then this is from one of the other pages. It had a little window on there, and so I put the window in the front. I used the rusty tin for around the you know, the little folio. And then the little gas pump, I cut it out as well. It was at the edge of the paper, so I thought, well, we'll put it on the edge and make it look like, you know, just part of it. And then again, this one I fussy cut as well, and I glued that on there just because I love, love, love that card. It's gorgeous. So we open up the folio, and it does, you know, open flat. And she doesn't have this little pocket in there. I just thought, you know, I'd put it in there. So for room for a couple more pictures. And that is the front of the folio with the pocket. And I made a couple of little, picture mats. They're blank on the back. And I used some gears and just cut it out twice and glued them together. And, you know, you can use that as the pull. And then I did a couple of mats. These are for 3x3 photographs, I think. Let me make sure, because I hate when I tell you, yep, 3x3. So I just put a couple mats here. Opens this way. I just love that little bike. So you have to be strategic when you're going to cut your pages, just because if you want something in a certain spot, you know, you may have to rearrange your mats. And then I put another couple of picture mats right there. And then this opens up this way. And these are, again, some die cuts that I had, some dies that I had in my stash. And I'm going to, it's not glued all the way down, see? So you can tuck a picture in there on the top of here. And then on this side, you can tuck a picture in there as well. There we go. So they're not glued all the way down. So the pictures can definitely go down in there. So yeah, that's the inside spread. And then we close it back up and fold it this way. And again, the 2 picture mats. And then another pocket with another 2 mats in there with the gears. Yeah, I love that. I just love how it turned out. Michelle, thank you so much. I will definitely be making another one. And because it is so adorable, guys. It is just so much fun, especially when, you know, you have paper that you absolutely love. And I love this Ciao Bella Collateral Rust. Love it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please remember to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. You all have a wonderful day.